Hello everyone, welcome back to Dash of Spices. Today I'll be showing you how I made this quick and easy air fried corn on the cob. If you want to learn how I make this, keep on watching. So corn is not only fun to eat, but it comes with a lot of health benefits. So this is a good snack for you. What we need here is just 4 corns, and make sure you butter them or brush them with oil. I just use butter and brush them, the corn, and place the corn in a basket. I preheated my air fryer because I'm used to it, and I'm going to cook this on 400 degrees for 10 minutes. And this should be done. Here you go. After 10 minutes, corn is perfectly done. If you want yours to be extra, like maybe brown on the outside, you could cook extra 5 minutes, but this is perfect for us. My family like it this way. It's juicy, it's not dry, so if you want to keep it this way, 400 degrees in 10 minutes is all you need, and you're good to go. I hope you like this video. Please give it a thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed to our channel, please subscribe to our channel. Click that bell button if you want to be notified if we have new videos on. And again, thank you everyone for supporting our channel. Enjoy making yourself a corn on the cob in 10 minutes. It's worry-free because you don't have to watch this on the grill to get burned. So this is the perfect way to make corn on the cob. This is a 5.8 air fryer, so you could fit at least 4. Again, thank you everyone for watching. Until next time, ciao!